Daddy, I'm coming. Okay.
The crowd, don't be here. These are people coming to their personal shares.
Yes, so bringing in their personal shares.
They go higher, higher.
They have to because the shares here don't finish. And I want to put it in my channel. I have a YouTube channel.
Okay.
Very soon this place will be too small to hold the crowd that will come.